Hey everyone, today we're going to install the cluster blank. Along with the cluster blank, the AIM MXM. I got a template from the AIM website. You can download the PDF, cut it out. It'll show you where to drill the holes and make the cutout on your blank. Ideally, I would also like to install the Apex Pro digital chart coach. I'd like that on the main cluster so it's in my peripheral vision. To remove the cluster, we got to first remove the steering wheel. Get that out of the way. Remove this guy here. There's 3 screws holding that in place. Just pull it off. There's 5 clips holding it in place. I just got to be careful to not break the clips. Now that cluster comes off. Line it up. Alright, so my camera died, but what you didn't see is I drilled the 2 holes and put in some pop rivets. Now, pictures. There we go. So, centered, we're going to drill 4 holes. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to score the plastic so we can cut out the square. Alright, to cut this out, we're going to drill the 4 corners out. I know that I can't remove the Apex Pro anymore, but that's okay. I charge it while it's in the car. In the next video, we'll actually wire it up. That's it. See you next time.